మాట్లాడితే అది అవ్వదు కదా. యువర్ నాట్ అ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్.
I am the authorized person there for that.
You're not an authorized person.
Are you arguing with me?
I'm not
arguing with me.
I'm not arguing with
then,
you.
Then how you are saying
You're
an MLC?
not an authorized person.
I am an authorized. So you should not speak like that. You should not tell like that.
Why speak like that? You
I am asking me, your DM and
No.
They didn't speak like that.
1 minute. You're not authorized person.
If not authorized person as an MLC, why should I speak with you? What is the necessity to speak with you?
Don't speak with me.
Why should I speak with you? What is the necessity to speak with you?
Don't speak with me.
I am not a
You're not authorized person.
Why should I speak with you? What is the necessity to speak with you?
Don't speak with me, please.
I am asking you, your manager, your DM told me,
Hello,
your
sir.
DM told
Hello,
me
sir.
to speak with you.
Don't
your
scream.
DM
Scream and
told
shout to me, okay?
listen, ask your DM.
Don't shout.
Ask your DM.
Don't shout.